Hello everyone, welcome to this HTML and CSS lesson, and today you are going to be learning the HTML link. A link is a connection between two files. The files don't always have to be of the same types, they can be of different types, like you can link to an image, and a link can be in form of a text and an image. So the HTML tag that is used for creating links is the A tag. So I've already taught in another video how to get the local address of files. So watch that video and getting the addresses of files won't be a problem for you. So all we have to do is to write less than A, then give space, and then we'll write href. This href is where you write the address of the file you are linking to. So I'm gonna go back to my desktop and get a file that I have to link to. So I choose this video, right click, and open it with a browser. So then I'm going to copy this address. Then we type it in between these quotation marks. Then we write greater than. Then we write the text that is going to link to that video. Let's call it link to video. Then we'll create our closing tag. And we're going to save us all the formats. So this is the link. If I click on this link, then it's going to open that video. When you are doing normal HTML and CSS, it's quite normal for you to type the full address of a file. But if you are a website owner who has his website online, like maybe it's hosted by GitHub, it's recommended that you only use the name of the file without writing where the file comes from and the root and etc. So what most people do is to go to their desktop and create a new folder that holds all their works, but that may not be the option when you're using Quick Code Workspace, because just like web applications like Google Drawings, Quick Code Workspace always saves its files in your downloads folder. So I'm going to show you how to create a link without typing the full address. Remember, Quick Code Workspace always saves files in the downloads folder. So all we have to do is to put the file we want to link in the downloads folder. So we're going to copy this file. Then we open our downloads folder. We're going to paste it here. And once I paste it, we don't need this address anymore. All we need is the file name. So I'm just going to save this file. Now we click the link. And if you notice, the address of this file is in the downloads, But in our previous linker, the address to that file was in the desktop. Another thing I'd like to teach you when you're learning the HTML link is the target attributes. So this target attribute shows where the file is going to open, and there are two major targets that you should know. First is the self, and when you're writing these values, you should always start them with an underscore. It just works for these targets, so don't confuse yourself with other attributes. So I'm going to write self. This self shows that the link is going to open in the same page or tab as browsers call it. So I'm going to write some text, and I'm going to create another link. Then I'm going to call this one blank. This attribute shows that the file is going to be opened in a new tab. So I'm going to change this new. Then we open our file. Then we try the first tab, which says this video will open in this tab. As you can see, the video opened in the same tab. So if I click the other one, as you can see, the video opened in a new tab. So when you're working with HTML links, know this: you cannot link with the single name of the file unless they are in the same roots. So thanks for watching my video. Enjoy more HTML and CSS videos from this channel.